Elevate Leadership Network is a community of women in ministry, and we really represent all different capacities of leaders and diverse generations and ethnicities. This is going to be an interactive platform where we can ask questions, find mentors, and develop skills through training and growing our leadership so that we can be effective in bringing the hope of Jesus to the world.
This online community will connect women in ministry to a safe space to share about ministry experiences and challenges. We want to help you steward your calling and spiritual gifts well by giving you exclusive leadership development resources. So whether you're looking to start mentoring the next generation of ministers or if you're just starting out in ministry, Elevate Leadership Network is for you.
This community of called women will connect us nationally and globally in a way that's really never been done before. It's a place to cultivate our gifts through ongoing leadership development, like masterclasses that will be taught by experienced pastors or be a part of peer mentoring groups that give relational support and space to share resources.
We believe leadership development should be accessible and affordable. That's why we're offering Elevate Leadership Network for the low cost of $20 per month. So if you're looking to join a community where you can learn, grow, and network, we can't wait to meet you there.